This is an IXL video for simplify radical expressions. And to simplify a radical expression, it's helpful to do prime factorization. And in order to pull things out, I'd like you to do this without a calculator, because it is a good skill to have. So first thing to do in simplifying a radical is to do the prime factorization or prime factorization tree. And the prime factorization of 75 is 3 times 5 squared. Now that's what's under our square root. And you can look at this as the square root of 3 times the square root of 5 squared. Anytime you take the square root of something squared, it's that number. So the square root of 5 squared is 5. Square root of 3 is square root of 3. So the square root of 75 would be 5 root 3. 18 is 2 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. So this is 2 times 3 squared. The square root of that is the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 squared. So this would be 3 root 2. Let's ignore this out front just for now and look at only the square root of 50. 50 is 2 times 25, 5 times 5. So this is 2 times 5 squared. And the square root of that would be 5 root 2. Now bring that over with the 8 out front. And we just multiply 8 times 5, which is 40 square root of 2. 28 is an even number. It's 2 times 14, 2 times 7. So it's 2 squared times 7. Square root of 2 squared is 2. And the square root of 7 is the square root of 7. Again, look at only the 45. 3 times 15. And it's always best to try to go with the smallest prime number divisible first. It just makes your life a little easier. Taking the square root of that, we get 3 root 5. So this is 8 times 3 root 5, which is 24 root 5. And the square root of 60, 2 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 5. So this is 2 squared times 3 times 5. Oops. Wrote a wrong number there, sorry. Just thinking ahead. So then this simplifies to 2 root 15, because I have to multiply the 3 times 5 inside. Now I take 9 times 2 root 15, and I get 18 root 15. And this ends simplifying.